This is Ryan eating his pickle like it was going out of style.
It's half done.
Oh, is that good, Ryan? Choo choo choo. Choo 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 the pickle. It is the sourest dill pickle on this earth.
And he loves it.
You can hear him crunching. Where's the pickle? Mmm. I'm trying not to laugh.
Are you enjoying your pickle? Is that a good pickle?
Mmm.
Give Grandpa a taste?
Give Grandpa a bite.
Grandpa wants a bite.
Ryan, give Grandpa a bite.
Mm.
He's like, no, it's mine.
No way.
Oh!
Oh, pickle juice.
Pickle juice all over Grandpa.
Oh.
Ooh.
And he says, your problem is?
Ooh.
I should care because?
There's two of them eating pickles now. Malia's a pickle monster too, just like her mom.
The Pickle Monster family.